Once, in a quiet village, there lived a man named Eli that he was known for his gentle heart but also his frail physique. While others toiled in the fields, Eli often felt like an outsider, burdened by self-doubt and the taunts of stronger men. One day, a storm swept through the village, uprooting trees and destroying homes. The villagers rallied together to rebuild, but Eli felt helpless that he watched as friends lifted heavy beams and dug deep trenches, wishing he could contribute. That night, as the village slept, Eli wandered to the edge of the forest that he stumbled upon an old, wise woman who had witnessed the storm's destruction. Seeing his sorrow, she said, "Strength isn't just in muscles, it's in determination and heart." Inspired, Eli returned home and resolved to change. He began training not just his body but also his mind. Every morning, he would jog to the river, lift stones, and practice the art of resilience. He learned to harness his inner strength, pushing through pain and fatigue. Months passed, and Eli transformed. He was no longer the timid man who hid in the shadows. When the village faced another challenge, this time a drought, Eli took the lead. He organized the villagers to dig a canal from the river, inspiring them with his newfound confidence and spirit. As they worked together, Eli discovered that true strength comes from unity and compassion. The villagers rallied behind him, driven not just by necessity but by the respect they had for the man who had once been overlooked. When the canal was finished, water flowed freely and crops thrived once again. The villagers celebrated, and Eli stood at the center, not as a weak man transformed, but as a leader who had discovered his own power through perseverance and heart. From that day on, Eli was no longer just a gentle man, he was a symbol of strength for the village, reminding everyone that true strength lies not in the body, but in the spirit that drives us to rise and help others.